Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of leaving this gap. I started thinking it might be easier for some people, and even me included. So I've got these contoured lines all grouped together because I want them grouped together. So I'm just going to use the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to go red, 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 red. But I'm going to leave this gap. Then I'm going to change the Smart Fill tool to blue, and I'm going to go blue, 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 blue. And that's all there's to it. Now I'm going to take the original outline, I'm going to move it out of the way, and you basically have a gap. Now, if you're going to engrave this or even print it, it might not, there might be little bitty lines taken up in there. So safely, I would maybe take all the blues, and you can see the little bitty blues in there, and take it, and you can try welding it, but sometimes the color will go away, but it didn't in that case. So now this is all one piece. And then just take the red and weld it. And then you won't have any color separation because there's nothing but lines. Let me back up here and just show you before I welded that. I'm going to take this and left click, right click, and you see the lines? Well, let's go ahead and back up and have it red, and then go ahead and weld it, and then take away the outline and take away the fill, and now the lines are gone. And this gentleman did answer back on the video that he is just going to turn it black because he is going to engrave it. But it was probably easier to do it in two different colors. But instead of deleting lines, just Smart Fill. Give that a shot and see if that doesn't help you. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.